they shoot us. They mess on me. They must so rude. They run the streets. I tell you, they mean in schools. I hear you. They run the hoods. I tell you. They run the streets. They mean the schools. The schools. They run the hood. The hood. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They my fearless. They move, yeah.
Oh, I'm not happy for that. So how did it go? Done and dusted, Prof. It's Pope's thing and we did it Pope's way. And where is the monkey?
Prof, Makachuku, Prof, we don't understand.
I mean, where is his corpse?
Prof, we don't be undertakers now. As we knocked the guy, we left him where we shot him now. We don't go carry him dead, but he didn't work out.
How about go there? I know Adagun.
What? How could you have made such a silly mistake? How?
Prof.
Oh, shut up. Shut up! I thought that head of yours was functional. Now you both have been in this game, haven't you?
Prof, we did game. Prof, not we did game.
Haven't you? Now listen, I want you to go back and recover that corpse to be sure, very sure, that he is dead.
They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They my dangerous. They move,
Now!
dangerous. They shoot us. They my fearless. They move, yeah. Dangerous. They shoot us. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They mess on me. They must so rude.
Who be here, you knocker? I knock this woman here now. I knock her here.
I tell you, they mean in schools. I hear you, they run the hoods. I tell you, they run the streets. The streets, they mean the schools. The schools, they run the hood. The hood. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They my fearless. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, they trying hard to gun us down. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. Them wanna move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. Them wanna move. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, they're trying hard to gun us down. They move, yeah. They're gonna shoot, they shoot us. They're dangerous.
What happened to you?
I was returning from the fellowship and some group of boys were shooting. I think it's a stray bullet.
Man, Pope now. Pope, the track will be followed inversely proportional now. Don't fall into the wrong track. Makawa.
Please, can you take me to the hospital? Please.
Kwamaka Hospital. Adana Hospital now.
They move, yeah. They're gonna shoot, they shoot us. They're fearless. They move, yeah. They're gonna shoot, they shoot us. They're shoot us. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathway, they're trying hard to gun us down. They move, yeah. They're gonna shoot, they shoot us. They move, yeah. They're gonna shoot, they shoot us. They move, yeah. They're gonna shoot, they shoot us. They move, yeah. They're gonna shoot, they shoot us.
Sit down. Sit down! Hey. Shh. Hey. Shut up. Okay. Listen to me. If you cooperate with me, I will not hurt you. Okay? I give you my word. Just do everything I say. Be calm and shut up. Start. Hurry. So we have to do this. So yours, okay? You're treating yourself. Come. I'm sorry for... Believe me, I didn't mean to hurt you.
You didn't mean to hurt me. So what is this? What is this?
I did that to save us.
Save us, my foot. I bled all through the night.
Like I said, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll find a way to make up, I promise. Listen, I'm not a bad person. Okay, I'm doing this because of a situation of things. Those guys are dangerous. Believe me, if they had found me, I would have been dead by now. And of course, they wouldn't have spared you as well.
What makes you think so?
It's simple. They would have thought you were my girlfriend.
What crime did you commit?
What happened to you?
I just had a little cut last night, but I'm fine. No. It's okay. Just a little cut.
Shoma, you call this little? How come?
I saw a sharp object by the door, so I just thought, but it's okay. I'm fine, okay? It's nothing. So,
let me take you home so I could see that sharp object that gave my friend such an injury.
Flora, it's okay. I'm fine. I am okay. See, I'm fine. I wasn't even limping.
Okay.
Yes, I'm fine. So, How did it go today in school? Please, don't tell me there was a test. Please.
That's why I was coming to see you. To know why you went in school today. But not to worry. Do not fret, because nothing serious happened.
Thank God. I was scared, though. So the professor didn't give that test again?
At all. We didn't even see him in class. No lecture, no test.
Thank God. I was scared.
Let me walk you home.
No, I'm fine, Flora. Are you sure? It's just a little cold. Really? I'm fine. Okay. I'll call you, okay? I'll call you.
I'll see you tomorrow.
All right.
You're such an angel.
I do not take flattery for compliments.
I'm not flattering you. I'm just wondering what would have become of me if you were not here to help me. I probably would have bled to death.
Austin, please. I am yet to recover from the shock. Please.
All right. Did I tell you you're very, very beautiful?
Austin, please stop. Please, like I said earlier, I am yet to recover from this shock. Please. I'm not in the mood for all this.
Ow.
Just look at me. I'm living like a prisoner in my own house. All thanks to you.
Sorry, man.
Austin, it's been a week now, and I've been asking you, who are those guys? And why are they after you?
In both of you. It beats my imagination that you cannot execute a simple assignment. Look, it's Austin supposed to be a hard nut to crack in this campus. Oh, and to cap up your mess, you allowed a mega to deceive you. It didn't have come to you that Austin could have state managed the whole thing. Did it have come to you?
Boss, we are truly...
Oh, shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Listen, this is a system, and it requires hyper-intelligence for you to succeed. I want you to go now and place your eyes on that twat of a girl. I believe she has everything to do with Austin's sudden disappearance. And need I remind you that you don't have to feel this time? Or need I remind you of the consequences of a second failure? Need I? Now get out. Get out! Get out of my office! Failures!
Obi, my heart, why do you want to hurt yourself over an issue that has not been established? All through the night you could not sleep. Now look at yourself again. Why?
My lord, do you expect me to be at ease when my only son is missing?
Missing? Who told you such abominable thing? Listen, woman. The son of a lion will never get lost in the forest. No. You are just overridden by anxiety. You need to give yourself a break. Oh. By the way, what proof do you have?
Do I need any proof? Whose proof do I need? When no one has heard from him for over 1 week. My lord, it's not in his nature to keep distance from us.
I understand where you're going now. Motherly affection for her son. But listen, you are the queen of this household, and in fact the queen of this whole community. Do not let your subjects see you in this mood. Just press up. I will send some guards to go and fetch him in the university campus. Would that solve the problem?
Yes, my lord. Please do. You know he's my only son. Please.
It's alright. It's okay. It's alright. I will do that.
Ugo! Ugo!
Where is this boy?
Ugo!
Yes, Your Highness.
Now take some of your men and the car. Get down to the campus and make sure you return with the prince. Is that clear?
Yes, Your Highness.
I'm beginning to share my lawless sentiment. Something's wrong somewhere. Be hasty about the exercise.
As Your Highness, please.
Keep moving. Move, 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 move.
Austin, this is your breakfast. I'm not going to do breakfast with you. I have an early morning lectures. Okay, so just
all right. Anything you say is fine. You're an angel. You're God sent. In fact, you're an angel.
don't even start. Thank you. Bye. Be safe.
Separated, cause their word is their bound, and
nothing.
You mean that was what you were told about my son?
That was exactly what we heard, Your Highness.
Do you believe that story, Ugo?
My king, honestly, I am as surprised as you are.
Good then. That was not my son. Something is mixed up somewhere. Whoever told you that story is a joker.
Somebody should talk to me. What happened to my son?
Easy.
Talk to me!
Take it easy.
Ugo!
Easy, I said. I will get to the roots of this matter. Take it easy.
Ugo!
Take it easy.
Have you seen the corpses at the gate?
Corpses? You see it? I've not seen it.
You mean you have not seen the corpses at the gate?
Look at you. You're surprised.
It's obvious that some other persons are running this campus instead of us. Yes! Because you don't know what goes on in this campus anymore. You don't! You're strangers! You mean you did not see the corpses with Ostino sign? That young man is somewhere greasing his engine. And you're here, gallivanting, loafing, idling away, and desperately trying to convince me that he is dead. Now listen, let me warn you. Look, let me tell you, if that boy blows up my job, you will go down with him. I need not warn you again. Get out!
they run the hood. Papa Sapano, where you put some back one, they move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Don't be they move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Don't be they move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. Them man they gonna shoot us. Them man they move, yeah. They shoot us. Them man they move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Them man they move, yeah. They gonna shoot us.
One second!
Oh, Jesus. Father?
Hey, shut up.
I will be dying.
I said, shut the fuck up. There's no God here but me. Alright? Yeah.
Nah, mobility, man. Nah, this one your life nowhere around here.
You search everywhere.
I detest you now.
C4. You search the kitchen.
Kitchen.
You search the toilet.
Toilet now.
What about the roof?
Roof things now.
You search everywhere.
Everywhere follow.
This is Pope's thing and we're going to do it Pope's way. Is that understood? If I eventually find out by chance, anyhow, see these idiots they here. C4.
Mobility.
When be the last time when you come?
1 million years ago now, come now.
We will rape you. Not just you.
Amen.
They will rape your mother.
Amen.
Rape your father.
Amen.
Your dog.
Amen.
We will rape.
Amen.
Your teddy bear. We will rape. Is that understood? Understood, huh? This is Pope's thing. And we are going to do it Pope's way. See for ball.
Now put my color one now.
No, don't call it one.
But just say don't tell. I'll leave the pepperless.
They run the streets, I tell you. They mean the schools, I hear you. They run the hoods, I tell you. They run the streets, they mean the schools. They run the hood. They move.
Did they hurt you? Huh?
Now see guy, this whole thing they bust my head. This guy don't fall around though. Eh? What did they vex me for where this guy did? This guy they call Stein be say, why is it proving so difficult to get? Why? Hey Pope. Eh?
See, wait till they vex me past this. See, this guy don't they prove too tough an equation to solve. Eh? Waiting they make me one mad, one colonel. Say this guy they on ghost mode. This guy go enter, he go knock one, he go take off. He go enter again, knock one, he go take off. Enter again, knock one, he go take off. Which level? I don't understand. I don't think it's
Jenny, not can he go? Nah, but for make I tell you, no be equation. No matter how equation deal, no matter how the thing take bad reach, there must always be a method to solve it. See, if you don't apply normal quadratic equation, it no work. We apply the almighty formula, it no work. And go reason the board mass now. Go reason the board mass because so far say the whole total summation of the answer wey give us is equal 0 now. To prove our point now. But they test you.
You say they talk like madman. So what you want to talk now? What be the point we try prove now?
You be the former hand. People for station say they former hand. I'm going to form my head, John now. You don't know as they go. One reason me say you don't know say this guy don't follow her for station. The guy don't join us.
See, Sifo, feel my swag. This is Pope Stain, and we are going to do it Pope's way. There are no two ways about it. Pope Stain, Pope's way.
I got no Pope now. Look, you be Pope.
And what have we been discussing? The third question and short response is for everyday conversation. In the same way, when the statement is in the negation, the third question is in the affirmation and the response is in the negation. We have some examples on the board, like, I will come. The third question will be, won't I? And the response will be, yes, I will. Beautiful. Now, when the statement is in the negation, for example, she won't come to your house. The third question will be, what kind of students are these? Non-entities! Idiots, keep quiet! You mean I've been wasting my time all afternoon? No, sir. Shut up. Who is that? The third question will be, won't she? The third question will be, will she? And the response it will be, she won't. All right, we have had the one for today. We will call it a day. But before we go, I want to point out something. You, Austin John, stand up. Now, the rest of you, I want you to look at this young man. Yes. He's always neat, smartly dressed, intelligent, industrious, a young man after my own heart. Austin John, sir, if you keep going the way you're going, I am sure you will come out with a first class from this university. Yes. But can I really talk about the rest of you like this? Idlers, loafers, dirty pigs, as if you're not from homes. Let me warn you, there is always the judgment day. Trouble for mentors. There is always the judgment day. But we'll call it A day. If any of you don't have questions.
True love is unbreakable. True hearts of love can be separated. Cause their word is their bound, and nothing can quench their taste. Instead of smiles on their faces. Give me your hands, let me hold it for you.
This is when you're jacking like you have an exam.
Well, you know my situation. I can't leave here. I can't go to school. So I have to read, see how much I can cover. Wow. This looks nice. It looks sweet. Tasty as usual, I trust you.
Austin, please don't even start with those flattery words. Just eat.
What's poppin'? What's going on campus?
Nothing serious. Just the rumor on campus.
Okay. What's the rumor?
Except that you killed 2 guys. And even signets are done.
Is that the rumor going on? That I killed 2 guys? Of course it's not true. I didn't kill anybody. Tell me. Do you believe them?
Of course not. I even tried convincing some people, but there was still no sign found on them. Just gave you away.
Ostino sign? You want to kill me? That is impersonation. It's not me. Why are they doing this to me? Why is the prof doing this to me? Why does he want to ruin my personality? Why?
Which of the professors?
Never mind.
Austin, talk to me. Which of the professors?
Never mind. It's nothing I can handle. Wow. Whoa. You look gorgeous, stunning, you look beautiful.
Austin, you just love to flatter me. Thank you.
Come on.
Thank you.
Tell me you don't have a boyfriend.
Austin, I do not have a boyfriend.
Aha! That makes me lucky.
Please, can I go? Who is there? Oh, Flora!
Hey, babe. Don't tell me you're ready.
Of course I am.
Oh, come on, let's go.
One second.
We're almost late.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right. I'm right behind you.
They run the streets, I tell you. They mean in schools, I hear you. They run the hoods, I tell you. They run the streets, they mean the schools, they run the hood. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. They my fearless. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Don't be a target. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Don't be a target. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us.
Oh, gods of my fathers, what have I done? How did I go wrong? My only son, the heir apparent to this great room, a killer. What do I tell the whole world? Maybe I took a wrong decision to allow him to go to university. Oh God. What went wrong? What happened?
They run the streets.
Wait now, please. I'm coming. 10 minutes, I'm just at the junction. I just finished lectures now. Okay. Alright, I'll speak. I want to talk to you.
They run the streets. The streets. They mean the schools.
Oh. Pepele. Finest girl. What's up now? What are you standing here? Come on. Let me give you a shade, man.
Thank you, you're such a gentleman.
Seriously, man. You're a fine boy, man. Hey, come on, you know what's up. Enter the car.
Oh, I'm fine. I'm waiting for Keke to pick me up.
I see. Enter the car.
Okay.
Like, seriously, like, total no. I got no one to lecture. Enter the car.
Yes.
Come on. Oh, Aquaga name when you lecture. That's all.
Fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways. Trying hard to gun us down. I see them and rude boys. Fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways. They trying hard to gun us.
Quiet, see, look at you get us in the me and this one. So wait, you think say we come here come play jamboree with you or dance some kind of lata with you based on say waiting? I swear, Makachuku, if you no begin tell us what you go understand now. I swear God, I will begin porous you now. As in they porous you, they go.
Please believe me. I'm telling you the truth. I have never seen a man in that house before.
You say?
You see, I swear, my friend doesn't have a boyfriend.
Shut your buka cavity. I mean, shut that hole in your face. Okay? Now you have 3 days, 3 good days to find out if your friend is hiding her boyfriend. If not, riot could happen for your center of gravity. Is that understood? Understood. I see. If I pick up the stance,
Go collect. Go. I'm gonna collect small thing now. You get us they do me for you.
I got you this. And I bought some rice and stew, okay? So, serve yourself. I have an early morning lectures.
Wait. Thank you. You know, you're so nice. Believe me, you're so caring. You're so sweet. In fact, you're just a complete woman.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Just,
Wait, I'm not flattering you, okay? I'm just speaking my mind. And I'm speaking the obvious. Right, you've been so nice to me. Okay, I'm not saying it to please you. I'm just telling you how it is. You've been so nice, you're so beautiful, you're just everything. Allow me to express myself, please.
You're welcome. Please, I have an early morning lecture, okay?
Oh, okay. Last question before you. Whoa. How did you know my size and my favorite colors?
You love them?
Yes, I love them. They're nice.
Anyway, that's a little secret. My secret.
Aha. It shows you're starting to like me. Can I give you a peg? No, not a kiss, just a peg.
Austin! Who is there? Who is that? Who is there? Who is there? Why this early?
What is that supposed to mean? Do I now have a time schedule to come to your house? Babe, I beg, step aside. Girlfriend, I am hungry. I left my house in a hurry and I didn't have the time to prepare anything. Please tell me you've got something for me to eat. Please.
Yes, I've got some rice and stew.
Yay!
But it's frozen.
That's not a problem. No. I can do that myself.
No, not to worry. Not to worry, just sit, I'll do that for you.
No, I can do that myself.
No, I said I would do that for you. Come on.
Why are you acting like this?
I said I would do that for you.
I will do it myself. I'm hungry.
Flora, sit. I will do that for you.
What are you hiding?
Oh, I'll just wait.
Wait. I can smell something.
What is it to smell?
Babes? I can smell the perfume of the man. Oh my God! You have a man in your house.
You have a man, Flora. I do not have any man here. Just sit. Rick, take this. Keep yourself busy. Let me get dressed to school. Or you could turn on the TV. I'm coming.
See, the way things is going now, I think it's better we join the bad boys. Nowhere is safe.
And you think becoming a cultist guarantees your safety in this school?
Like in a hen now, they know how to protect their members.
Really? Well, let me inform you. The worst thing you can do to yourself in this school is becoming a cultist. It's very deadly.
That's it.
But I'm telling you.
That's it. That's the only way. That's the only way, Kenny.
I've given you my word as a girl and as a friend. So if you like, just go.
What about him?
And he is the one committing all the murder on campus.
No. How sure are you? How sure are you? Please stop. Don't join them in spreading rumors. Please.
Shoma, why are you being defensive all of a sudden? You're acting as if you have something to do with this murderer.
How? That you shouldn't join them in spreading rumors. So how am I defending him? Please, oh. Please, the wolves have ears.
I'm trying to browse this lecture.
My lord.
What is it?
Let's talk. We need to talk.
Talk about what?
Are you not worried that your only son is missing? Does it not affect you in any way? Your only child.
See, I am not a woman that will be worried and the world will know that she is worried. I am on a master plan to ensure that he is found. That's what I'm doing.
Do something and do it fast. Eh? My lord, let us inform police about this matter before we lose him. So they can swing into action immediately.
Listen, I will do that when I'm through with my own investigations, okay?
Then do it fast.
I'll do that.
Do it fast. We are losing this boy. He is my only light, my lord. He is my only child.
Go to bed. You are not losing anybody. Okay? Relax. I need this rest. Come. I decided to let you know first. Because you are my right-hand man with whom I share issues like this. Before I can bring it to the notice of members of the cabinet.
Your Highness, I am short of words. This kind of matter is unheard of. However, my son is in the same university with him.
Yes.
I will send words across to him for him to come home. Maybe he will have a pleasant version of the story.
Please do. Please, my friend, do. Because my Lola is not taking this thing lightly. She's not taking it in good spirit at all. She doesn't sleep. She doesn't eat. Please.
Your Highness, I will ensure he comes home as soon as possible.
All right. I count on you.
Iwe.
What? When? Why? I hope nobody's hurt there. Okay, Dad. Yes, I'll be there. I'll be there. All right.
Oh, baby. Who was that?
It's my dad. Is it an event for them?
Now, we're having a nice time.
Father, why didn't you tell me all this on phone that this was why you wanted me home? You made me bill from school down here for such useless reasons. Now tell me, Father, what is urgent about this?
What an arrant nonsense, Emeka. What an arrant nonsense that the prince of your community is missing is not enough to bring you back home when you know you can be of good help.
What prince, Father? That bastard. That good-for-nothing, irritating maggot that goes around shooting innocent students just like that. Father, that boy is not my prince. He is nothing but a stupid cultist. That's what he is.
My friend, stop that rubbish. You are vomiting from your mouth. Stop it.
Is it a lie? It's everywhere on campus. The stupid thing he does, and when he kills, he will write Ostino and sign and put on their corpse.
That is an abomination.
Emeka, you have spoken the unspeakable. Can you stand before the king and repeat exactly what you have just spoken now?
Father, I will say it over and over again. I am not afraid of anybody. I don't matter for you.
Okay. We'll go to the palace.
Hey, babe. How do I look?
Why are you going to dress up like this?
Let's see. Nowhere. I'm just trying out the clothes you bought for me. See how good they look on me. How do I look?
Nice. Handsome.
Thank you. Besides, I'll tell you the truth, I am bored. Bored. Believe me, I am so bored. You don't know how it is being in this house, locked up every day under house arrest. Can drive someone crazy.
Austin.
Yep.
I was meaning to ask you. How come you haven't told your dad about this? At least to get you out of this mess.
Oh, no way. I don't want to get my family involved. Believe me, my mom hears about this. Oh, my mom will just die. Believe me, she'll just kill herself. I can't.
And you don't even want to tell me what got you into this?
Don't worry, I'll tell you. Okay? I promise. At the right time.
When? Or don't you trust me now?
How can you say that? Of course I trust you. I trust you so much. In fact, right now I trust you more than anyone else in this world. You know why? Because you have done for me what no one else has done for me. You put your life on the line just to protect me. And I appreciate it. So, the least I can do is to pay you back with trust and affection.
Austin, you know such words put me off.
And when it puts you off, what do you do? Don't mind me. Okay, moving on to the next agenda on the list. This is my ATM card. Hang on to it. The pin is 2016. Use it as much as you want to. Alright?
Austin, I'm not asking for a payback.
And I'm not paying you back either. You're the one who can go out. I cannot leave this house, so you're free. I'm not. Use it, get things for us, so while we're in here, we're happy.
So, why your ATM card then?
My son, are you sure of what you have just told us now?
Your Majesty, those of us that are close to him tried all we could to restrict his step. But Your Majesty, he kept behaving like someone who is under a spell.
Your Majesty, that is the right word. Under a spell. If what he has just said is the truth.
Your Majesty, what baffles me more is that he will write his name boldly and drop on every of his corpse.
Please speak no more. Just speak no more. My frail heart can no longer carry this. Come on. Something has gone wrong somewhere.
My queen, your food is ready.
Get out! Will you get out from here? Rubbish. Who is thinking of food?
Ugo. Aika.
Yes, Your Highness.
Both of you will leave first thing in the morning to the campus. You'll be there a couple of days to make sure you fetch the prince back. Did you hear that?
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. Take this money for your expenses. While on campus, maintain a high level of intelligence and keep away from trouble.
Yes, Your Highness.
Your main assignment is to fetch the prince back. Did you get me?
Yes, Your Highness.
You might leave.
I have a class to attend in Sydney. Okay, I'll see you after my lecture. Where do you want me to come to? Okay, I will be there.
Fighting just the rulers, cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them as rulers, fighting just the rulers, cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. They move, yeah. They're gonna shoot, they shoot. They are dangerous. They move, yeah. Dangerous. They shoot. They are fearless. They move, yeah. Dangerous. They shoot us. They move, yeah.
So what's the news?
I have tried all my best. I can't seem to find him there. I don't think he's there.
Have you been there alone?
No, I haven't. I'm always with Chioma. I mean, that's her house. There's no way I can go there alone. I don't have the keys.
You're toying with your life.
Find a way, get those keys and search the house thoroughly.
This is Pope's thing, and we are going to do it Pope's way.
I see them as rude boys, fighting just the rulers, cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them as rude boys, fighting just the rulers, cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. They move, yeah. They're gonna shoot, they shoot us. They are dangerous. They move, yeah. Dangerous. They shoot us. They are fearless. They move, yeah. Dangerous. are so mean. Them are so rude.
Can you imagine? Time, don't go. There's no time. Here's my money now. Change, hurry up.
I beg, wait, I beg.
Babe, why are you in a hurry?
Chill. You know I hate being late for lectures.
I also hate being late for lectures. Please, can I make use of your pink lipstick? Can you imagine? I left the house without using a lipstick.
What part? Oh God. You carried us from bus stop there. Please,
your change don't complete, oh. How much I give you?
Please, I get my change. This is not my change.
The change don't complete now.
It's not complete. Okay, I beg.
Now because of you, I beg. I don't want this kind of stuff.
From that bus stop to this place.
You don't complete. I don't want, I beg. I don't want trouble. Now you make me give you that complete thing.
Babe, where is the lipstick? Give me. I'm not done.
Hurry up now. And you know how strict that professor is.
I came to pick up a book.
Who sent you?
Nobody.
Who sent you? Put your voice down.
Nobody sent me.
How did you get the keys to Chioma's house?
She gave me the keys.
Chioma gave you her keys?
Yes.
She trusts you that much?
She's my best friend. She did. She gave me the keys.
If you lie to me, you're dead. How did you get the keys to Chioma's house?
I swear she gave me the keys. Please believe me.
I'm calling Chioma right now to confirm. If she says she did not give you her keys, you are dead.
Oh, God.
Her phone is switched off. I'm going to give you the benefit of doubt. However, I will still confirm. If I get to know she did not give you her keys, I will shoot you in the head. What did you come here to pick up? What did you come here to pick up?
A book. I came to pick up a book.
Go and take it.
I should. Oh my God.
Oh God. Oh God. Huh. What kind of a web of rivalry did I get myself into? Huh.
that hustle of a guy could have sent me to an early grave. Just like that. Just like that. Hi. Oh God, save me. Deliver me from this predicament. So, Shoma has been harboring that criminal all this while. Hey, what am I going to do? Who would I run to? Those guys are equally dangerous. Hey! Flora, think. Flora, think. What's on your thinking cap? What do I do? What do... Babe, here's your key.
How did you get my keys?
What kind of question is that? I only used the nail clip.
We are not fighting. Anyway, Flora, I don't think I'll escort you to that salon. Really, please. I need to go home. Okay, please. I'll see you much later.
Why? I'm so tired, honestly. I'm so sorry. I hope you're not angry.
I'm not. Why should I?
Honestly, I'm tired. Seriously, I'm tired. How can we be looking for a guy? This task is so difficult for me. Should we ask this guy?
Hello. Please. Excuse me.
Yeah, bro, so long. We are looking for Prince Austin. Austin.
Do you know him? He's
100 level.
He should be 100 level.
I think, do I even know?
We don't know. We are from the palace, yeah. Okay, thank you.
You don't even know what your prince is studying. That's so funny.
Are you not the chief guard?
It's funny.
I'm worn out.
Good afternoon there. Sorry, we are looking for Prince Austin. I don't know if you know anything about him. Okay, thank you very much. I knew it. I knew this thing was going to be very difficult. I knew it. But it's okay.
We'll keep searching.
What else?
We don't have any choice.
That's our job now.
Yes.
That's our job. Let's ask these two girls.
Yes. Hello. Please. Good evening. Yeah, we are looking for Prince Austin. Yes. Do you know him?
Anik, I'm tired of this whole thing. Let's just go.
Thank you.
I think we'll be going back to the hotel. Me, I'm tired though. I'm just tired.
What will you tell the king?
We'll go back to the hotel tomorrow. We continue the search.
See, babe, the way they do me now, I swear God, is inversely proportional to these tears when they drop. So for your mind there, you feel say you dey whine our morale. You whine us now. Popilo, you feel say you dey whine us now. So you feel say if you echo now, give us false alarm, you come dey clap at they give you. How now?
I saw him in the house. I'm not lying to you.
The man! Fire burn your...
Yes, you see. Babe, I sure say remember what I tell you before. So if you fuck up, by your center of gravity go solve the problem. See, for you know they never when I talk now.
Oh, but present when you been tell that word now.
The present be. But you don't say this is Pope's thing that we are going to do with Pope's way. You feel me? Position the equals.
Now, virgin, now be say we go break the law of virginity now. You know the breaker. Position! Come on! Oh, yeah!
Flora! 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 Flora!
Flora, why? Why did you do it?
That how to sympathize with a friend, you see, with bruises all over her face.
If that will make you answer my question. Sorry. What happened?
I was attacked by 2 hoodlums. They beat me up and even raped me.
Don't tell me you've been having affairs with those murderers. Flora!
Chioma, what about you? You have been harboring a murderer.
Austin is no murderer, Flora! I'm glad you now know the true murderers. Watch your back, girlfriend.
Chioma! So, they are the real people. They are the murderers. I promise. They will pay for it. They will pay for what they did to me.
Oko, I'm tired though, I won't lie you, honestly. Look at those girls coming, maybe we'll ask them.
Can you ask them?
Because I'm sure this very road leads to the hostel. Okay. I was told that this road leads to Austin's hostel. Let me ask them.
Okay. Ugo, is this not Sarah?
Ugo, what are you guys doing here?
Sarah, my dear, is His Highness. He asked us to bring the prince home over a rumor that he has grown wild on campus. So we are here to bring him home. Are you now aware of it?
No, I've not heard. I actually traveled to Zaria last week. We went for a nougat game. I know my cousin very well. He can't do such a thing. Yes.
I said it. I know.
Okay, my dear, see, the question is, where can we find him?
I've tried his number severally, but it's not going through. But do you know what? I'll make some calls. Some contacts. I believe we will see him definitely.
It's okay. If you're making the calls, then let's make it together.
Yes, exactly.
Let's
go.
Your Highness.
Where is my son, the prince?
I'm afraid, Your Highness, we couldn't find him.
And what are you doing here? Were you not instructed to go and bring him back? Did anybody send for you? Did anybody send for you? Now get back into that car and go back to the campus. Let me not see your ugly faces here if you don't come back with my son. Now move it! I said get back! Move it!
Your Highness.
Yes? How may I help you?
Your Highness, I'm Sergeant Mark from Police Aid Division and my colleague Ife. We are here to arrest Austin Agaba in respect to a murder case.
Murder case?
Yes.
Murder case?
Yes.
Austin Agaba.
Austin, I'm fed up. I I am fed up, Austin. Since you barged into my life, it's been from one bad omen to another.
I'm sorry.
I have fallen out with my best friend because of what we are both hiding from each other.
Look, that your friend is a criminal. Believe me, she's a criminal.
She's not evil. A criminal, Austin. Do you know if it's the same mess you've put me into that she's passing through? Austin, what are you hiding from me? Why don't you tell me the truth? Who are you protecting? Because I know it's not yourself. Talk to me.
I will. All right, I'll tell you. Okay, I promise I'll tell you, but not here. And we can't go back to your house. It's not safe anymore. You have to come with me. Let's go to a hotel. I'll tell you everything. Trust me. Please. I've not been able to tell you this because it's not something that is easy to say. But I've made up my mind to tell you. When I got into the university as a fresh student, Prof became quite fond of me. I became his favorite student. He told me he was going to help me in life, help me achieve my goals, help me become a more focused student. I agreed. At some point he convinced me to join a brotherhood. He said it would help me achieve my goals and be a better person in life. I was quite young then, I didn't understand. He made me join the Black Hearts confraternity.
Which of the professors?
Dean.
Yeah.
We need members. We need members. We need members who can take up the financial responsibilities of this organization.
Prof, you are correct. Maybe the boys will go for a hit tonight or tomorrow.
That is why I invited Dandy. I invited Dandy here so that he can draw up a diagram for the hit.
Prof, we are always ready. Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Good. Who is he?
I was lately informed that he's the prince of Obaha Kingdom, a wealthy kingdom. He just got admission into this school.
Look. What are you thinking? Listen, Dandy. We made you the Capone, not because you are a hitman or you are an executioner. Listen, we made you the Capone because you use your brains. Dandy, use your brains. Use your brains.
Prof, he looks to me like a worthy candidate.
Very worthy candidate. That's the kind of people we're looking for. Yes. Use your head.
All right, Prof. I promise you guys, I shall do that. Prof.
Professor Ibe, my first assignment to prove my worthiness in the Brotherhood was to lead a group of boys to my father's palace to rob.
Listen, young man, there is absolutely nothing I can do to help you. You have to go for the assignment. That is the only thing that can guarantee your membership in the Brotherhood and assure your safety on this campus.
Sir, please, I can't lead a robbery squad to my house, my parents' place, my palace, to go and steal. Give me another assignment, please. Any other thing, I'll do it. Even if it means paying money, I can pay money in place of...
Young man, your money does not count here. I'm afraid there is nothing I can do to help you.
Sir, I was informed that you are one person who can change this. If you want to, please help me.
Go to Professor Ibe. Narrate your stories to him. He has the final say.
I went to see Lord Frank over this same issue and he said he cannot do anything. But he referred me to you. Said you may be able to help, sir. Please, sir, I believe in you. How can I lead a robbery gang to my place, the palace? I can't.
It's okay, Austin. It's okay. I'll look into your case again. Let me look into it properly.
Okay, sir.
Then I'll get back to you. Or rather, see me subsequently, okay?
Okay, is tomorrow okay?
It's all fine. Sorry.
See, you think say what we come do here na child play?
I beg, no kill me, please.
You think say we come dey joke with you?
Boss, I beg, I dey fear.
Now, make I cut. You cut here like the West Side. When you dey involve us, when you dey carry us go palace.
Tomorrow, I promise. We no go.
I beg, make I cut this.
I beg, brother.
Cut here like the West
Side. Please, tomorrow. You no go pass tomorrow, I swear.
See, make I tell you, no be child beans we can't do here. How we fall here tomorrow, you cannot do anything. I go boss. I go pull you.
I beg, no.
Yeah, tell me talk.
I hear am, bros. I beg.
You say we dey go tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning, I no go play with you now. I dey craze.
Now I'm
beg. Bros, I be una man.
You be a man, but you dey FK now.
They run the streets. I tell you, they mean the schools. I hear you. They run the hoods. I tell you, they run the streets, they mean the schools, they run the hood.
Oh, Austin.
Sure.
Yeah. Olam, there are two of you wanting to see me. Where is the other person?
It's just me, sir. She accompanied me. I left her at the secretary's office.
Oh, a girl. Bring her in. Wow! Wow! Holy Moses! And who is this pretty damsel adoring my eyes?
Her name is Pretty.
Oh! And she's pretty! Really? Oh, Pretty, you're welcome. I'm Professor Ben.
Well, nice meeting you, sir.
Austin.
Sir. My girlfriend.
Oh, your girlfriend? Wow! You sure do have a taste when it comes to women. But let me lecture you. You have to know your etiquette. It's uncivil, you know, as a gentleman, young man, to come with such a beautiful damsel to my office environment and then deny my office of her presence, you know. Anyway, Pretty, you're welcome. This is my office. You're free to come in 247. Anytime you have financial needs, you have problem with lecturers and all that, no problem.
No problem, but noted. It will happen again. How far? You asked me to see you based on that thing.
Austin, consider it as good as done, okay? I just need to see the boys and then we'll reconcile one or two things, okay? You don't need to bother yourself about it. So Pretty, when will we have time to, like, all of us, you know, go out, have a drink, red wine, fish, little things, you know?
Exactly my point, sir. That will not be necessary.
Oh.
You're a very busy man. We want to.
Okay, not too busy anyway.
We're actually leaving.
It's okay, it's alright. You're free to come in any day, anytime.
Nice, sir.
Any day.
Thank you.
Yeah. Shit. Austin, I've tried to help, but I can't.
Huh? Of course I know you can. You can change anything. You are the supreme lord of the brotherhood.
Yeah, you see, I might be the supreme head of the brotherhood, but the decision of the brotherhood is...
This is not fair. After all, you're the person who brought me into this whole thing in the first place, so you should be able to do something.
Austin, come back. Austin, come back. Come back. Austin, I just discovered that I might just be able to help.
Don't be talking, sir. Of course I know you can help if you want to help.
But on one condition.
Which is?
You scratch my back, I scratch your back.
Oh, okay, alright, fine. I understand the way you're heading to. I'm not a child. I know it's money. I know it's money you need. Any amount I'll pay. Just name your price.
Austin, it's not about money. Austin, loan me your girlfriend for 7 nights.
Huh? Excuse me, Professor. Did I just hear you well? I should... Are you drunk?
I mean every word that I've just said.
I should give you my fiancée, the girl I want to marry, for you to sleep with for 7 nights. Professor, you are a dog. That's what you are. In fact, I'm not begging you again. Do anything you want to do. You can go to hell and rot in there.
Austin, you will pay for this. You dare to insult the supreme head of the Black Heart Fraternity. You will be punished. That boy Austin must be made to regret his actions in this campus. Let's challenge the leopards. Huh? 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 You must deal with him. You must punish him. You must deal with that overgrown baby elephant. It is either you deal with him or you fall with him.
They move, yeah. They gonna shoot, they shoot us. They my fearless. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Don't be attacked. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Don't be attacked. They move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule.
Hey, hello, pretty.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
Where are you up to?
I want to get something in the campus. By the way, how do you people know my name?
Are you not Austin's girl? We are his friends.
Today is your lucky day. We're actually on our way to the campus. Why don't you hop in?
No, thank you very much. I'll just get myself there. Thank you.
Oh, whoa. I insist. If you want to walk, I'll walk with you.
You don't do that.
Like I said, thank you very much.
Pretty. Like I said, I insist.
Fine.
Okay. See, baby, I tell you, surely goodness and mercy shall follow us, follow you too, all the days of your life, and you shall dwell in the house of. Say amen to that.
Fine.
Come on, up in now. Are we not?
They run the streets, I tell you. They mean the schools, I hear you. They run the hoods, I tell you. They run the streets, they mean the schools, they run the hood.
This is not the road I want to take. You people have passed the road I want to take, please. I thought you people said you are going to school.
No, shut up, man. Or taxi, boogie. Yeah, taxi.
Hey girl, if you are familiar with the Holy Bible, you read Psalm 91 and it said, 1,000 may fall dead beside you, 10,000 around you, but they shall not harm you. So calm your soul, eh?
Hey, you Ajibota, come on, make it comport. What did they do?
Sitting here and crying will not change anything. Okay, you need to tell me what the problem is. Talk to me. I'm the only person you can talk to. Tell me what it is. I'll handle it. Huh?
He raped me.
Wait. Who? Hey, who?
They raped me.
Professor Ibe raped you.
I can't remember asking you into my office.
Your father? Of you living authority? Of you want here authority, wicked man? Idiot, I will come for you.
Is that a threat or a challenge?
It is a threat. It is both of them. Anything you call it. Well, I will come for you, wicked man.
Oh, Austin, get out of here.
I'm already on my way out. In fact, I'm not even leaving. I will leave when I want to leave.
Austin, get out before I get you arrested.
I said I'm not leaving. I will deal with you. Hear me? Anything you want to do, do it. But me, look into my eyes. I will deal with you. Wicked man.
Oh, because you think your father is a king? Huh? It's okay. All right. You dare challenge the lion in his den?
I can't get over this thing. Believe me. I've tried my best. I can't get over this thing. You know, how can you just do a thing like that to you? Yeah? It's making me look like I'm not a man. Hi. It's time to put an end to all this once and for all. That fool must go down. That's what I mean. He must go down. And I know it's not in my nature, but even if it takes the last drop of my blood, I swear. See that day that I confronted him, if not because of you, I would have sliced his throat.
Thank you. But baby, let me tell you. To stain your hands with the blood of an animal is not proven. Yes. See, the only thing I would advise you to do is just stay away from him. Okay? Just stay away from his bloody syndicate.
You don't know those people. Those guys are dangerous. If they don't go down, they will bring both of us down.
They can't. They can't.
Don't worry. I know what to do.
Baby, don't do nothing stupid. Okay? I love you.
So this bastard wants to ruin my life and my career. No. My God. I wonder how many people must have read this. I won't give in just like that. No, I won't give in. I won't give in just like that. Huh? He thinks Professor Ben is an easy prey? I will get him before
I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys, fighting just to rule us. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. shoot us. Them gonna move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Them gonna move, yeah. They gonna shoot us. Them gonna move, yeah. They gonna shoot us.
Ah, make way! Make way! Make way!
Man, boys, that was good. It was clean. It was smooth. This is about the best job you have done in this campus. Oh, today you have made my happiest day.
You know what? It is Pope. Wait, you needed to see her face when she beheld the nozzle of my gun. You needed to see her face, bro. You know, we even sent a message through her to Austin, who will be joining her soon.
Wow. That's good, man. That is good. Absolutely good. You guys are wonderful. Oh my God.
Prof, you know, at a time like this now, when we dey jolly now, all we need is you activate our pocket. And now so that we go there,
Hey! Why am I the Lord?
Prof!
The prof.
Come on, man. Give me some money.
You
know, put it in.
I got money.
Oh, and see, and I got some cups to go with that. I know what you guys want. I know. So guys, now that we've got Pretty out of the way, Austin will soon follow her. It means that all the evidence against whatever is covered up. All right? And so we are going to reign supreme in this campus. We'll do our things unhindered by anybody.
What a celebration. The prof.
I see them are rude boys, fighting just the rulers. Cross not their pathways, trying hard to gun us down. I see them are rude boys.
Then I would have to leave you.
Don't leave me to where? You're not going anywhere. No, it's not possible. You're not going anywhere.
Listen, I do.
I know you.
I know it.
What? Jesus!
Jesus!